friends, students, and enthusiasts. Welcome back once again to my channel. So one more project today on a new topic. The topic is WebSocket. So WebSocket live multiple sensors data streaming using Raspberry Pi Pico W with MicroPython. This is our project. We will go through the project. What is it actually? And we'll see the difference. Okay. The project streamed live sensor data from the Raspberry Pi Pico W to the web browser, as you can see here. Using WebSockets, the browser updates instantly without refreshing the page. This is the advantage of the WebSocket. Okay, the sensor modules. We have used here LDR module. You can see here we have used an LDR module. This is my LDR module. You can use LDR module. I have just used a simple LDR module with the register. You can use a module form in module form also. Then you have a sound module. This is my sound module. And there is a gas sensor. Okay. So all of them are giving some values which you can see here on my WebSocket dashboard. That is, it is also a HTTP dashboard, but WebSocket. Okay. So using Raspberry Pi Pico W, we have made this project in MicroPython. So these are the three levels we are getting. The three levels, that is light level, sound intensity, and the gas level. Sensor value will be 0 to 65,535. It will be varying because we have to program in such a way. High value means more light, more sound, more gas, right? As you can see here, the values are moving. The values are continuously moving. That is, when it is up or down, that will give you the complete details about that. Okay, right. Now, next is components. What we have used here, we have used one Raspberry Pi Pico W, right? Pico W will have this type of center, a steel sort of a thing for Wi-Fi connection. Then analog sensors, what we have used in analog sensor, gas sensor, sound sensor, and LDR. We have also used a breadboard. As you can see, we have connected from a breadboard, a jumper wire, and this thing. The connections are very simple. So how the connections are given, you can see here, the LDR is connected to GP26, that is ADC0. Sound connection is connected to GP27, that is ADC1. And MQ2, I have used MQ35 here. This is connected to GP20. That all the three are ADC connection, that is analog connection. And to all commonly I have given 3.3 volts supply. Okay, I can give 5 volt also, but please remember when you use a Raspberry Pi Pico board, so it will work fine with the 3.3 volts. Or if you use 5 volt, then you have to pull down resistors and all you have to connect. Okay, so as you can see, well, these are the things what we have used. Now, project working. How does the project work? So Pico W connect to the Wi-Fi, start WebSocket server, reads all sensor value, sends JSON data continuously, browse update, and instantly it will be coming on this. Now, please, when we are discussing about the project working, you should also discuss about why WebSocket. What is the advantage of WebSocket over HTTP? So please remember, you will get a real-time bi-directional sensor data streaming. Okay, bi-directional. That means from here to here and here to here, it will be coming bi-directional. No page refresh is required. That means in the program, we don't write any page refresh. Fully duplex communication. Duplex means both the sides is taking place. Single handshake. What do you mean by single handshake? The connection is established just in one go. The connection will be established in one go. The latency is very, very good. So these are the advantages why we go for WebSocket instead of HTTP or web browser. Okay. The technology is almost same, but little difference. What is the advantage that I just now told you about? Okay. So serial monitor output connected, it will come like this. I will show you when I go to the ports, I will show you how it will be looking. Then IP address, server starter. Sensor value, ADC value 0 to 653, just what we have discussed. High value means more light, more sound, and more gas connection. So these are the things which you have to keep it in mind. That is, you should know about these things. So let's see the connections, how it is connection. So I told you the ADC3 connection from 1 to 3 sensors are connected on this side. That is GPI 26, 27, and 28, which are on. These are on a minus. The common point, the fifth connection from here, I have taken as a 3.3 volts, which is given to all the sensors, the supply and ground connection. That much is the only thing. And the program is main program. Let's go to the program and see it. And let's discuss about this. So a little new thing using WebSocket, you can do projects with the help of All right, so you can see here in the shell module, all the readings are going on here. That means it is running on these things. Okay. So when you initially start, there are two programs. That is, one is main py. Right now I'm into main py, and there is a WebSocket helper.py. This is the program. Now, of course, I will be sharing this program to you. So this is the helper program, and this is the main py program because it is in MicroPython. So SSID password you have to give, and IP address and LDR and sound gas sensor, which pins it has been connected. And this is the same like your HTML page. It will be there. Extra, you have web server socket. These are the files for the web server, web server sockets. So likewise, this program I will be sharing with the codes with you. First of all, whenever you start it, please remember you will get a IP address. IP address you have to copy or you have to paste it and you have to open it like we have to open it here. And the things will be, you can see live monitoring. The only difference is we usually do with HTTP and here we are doing with WebSocket. I hope you will like this thing. If any comments or this thing is there, please let me know. And please tell me about the, I will be sharing the complete details about the project. So thanks for watching. See you next time.